There we are. Finally up and running again. There we go. Finally, okay. So now that we've got the 7 layers of meta, we can remove this guy. Maybe. Maybe not. Oh, interesting. Lock, world, head, left, right, opacity. Oh, you can set all the settings? I can't delete this guy. That's troublesome. But can I change this guy? There we go. Chat is back. And alright, delete. I cannot delete this window. Can I save this layout? I can't delete. There we go. I can't delete this. This changed. I can't delete any of these. Alright, I'm going to reset. Uno momento. Okay, everything broke. We're going to try this again. Something is very wrong. I'm going to have to do the unthinkable. Oh, only use one instance of the game running out of time. It's funny how, like, static it looks. Good thing nobody's watching this. Uh-oh. We'll add a... What is it called? Like a return screen, like... Waiting... I'm gonna add, like, literally text. We will be back. We'll be... Alright, now. There we go. And we're back. Kind of wish that it would let me do only. There we go. Oh, that's funny. It's severely delayed. Here we go. Alrighty. Now that everything is back, I can close these things and we can actually get to programming. It only took how many minutes? 15 or so? There we go. Let's do this. So, last stream, which was like not that long ago, give me a second, my hands are getting in the way. Put them over here. Okay. Almost ready. I'll be honest. This is probably not the most productive setup because I'll be spending most of my time messing with this stuff. But it's fun, so it's worth it. Alrighty. Got our break here. So last we left off. Okay, so let's think here. I'm gonna add a thing here for done. So reset button is done. Break/toggle button is done. All text needs to be accurate. Yay, we love bots. Here we go. All text needs to be accurate. Okay, let's do that. So let me think here. Thank you for that. This is probably a bad idea, actually. Liz probably should never have done Discord. Alright, all text needs to be accurate. Alright, let's start with the big text.
I see you're programming.
You see what?
I see that you're programming.
Oh, yes, yes. Check out the stream for a second, dude. I've spent like 2 hours.
That's what I've been doing.
Yeah, it's so much fun. Like VR. This is actually something I've been wanting to do for maybe 2 years now.
I need to like mute the stream. It's confusing me.
Oh yeah, I get that. Here we go. Let me refresh this.
I don't understand the point though.
The point of what?
VR programming. I could understand if you didn't have enough monitors and like you wanted more, and so you essentially had virtual monitors in VR, assuming you had the power to do that.
Yeah. I mean, I've got plenty of monitors. This is mostly just for the aesthetic of like the. I've also got running into the green screen. It's mostly just for the aesthetic of space. I'll be honest. So I need a span.
But won't you get like irradiated faster?
Probably. My eyes will probably burn out faster.
Oh, dude, you got Loveface XYZ Girls Here Streamer Recommends in your chat?
Yeah, dude, you know they're like super popular.
Oh my god, I realized why I hate my voice. It sounds like I've been pitch shifted down.
I can do that.
If I pitch shift myself up a little bit, then I'll sound normal.
I don't know, this is how I sound. Like how I hear you. Current. What do I call this? It's not focus, so current it's productive versus break. So actually I can just use productive. This equals what is it called? Minutes? Max minutes? Timer minutes? Timer minutes? Timer minutes. I think I'm using... What? Hide user. Put user in timeout. There we go. There we go.
You just wipe them out.
No, the funny thing is, I think they're because that was a different one. Yeah, that was two different bots.
The two different accounts.
That's kind of sad. All right, have I shown you what I was working on?
I saw it a couple hours ago.
So I made some buttons work. So start button, as you know, does 30-second timer. Oh goodness, or maybe it doesn't. Okay, there we go. It's just laggy. So start timer goes 30 seconds. Once it hits the end, it will change color to let you know. I also want to have a sound effect. Actually, I'll need to add that to my to-dos. So I want to add a sound effect. Sound effect when start/stop. Sound effect when timer finishes. So now that it's done, it changes color. It will stop going through here, but I can also set it to, so this is like productive mode. It's supposed to be like 45. Like, have you ever heard of the Pomodoro technique?
No.
So Pomodoro technique is basically work 45 minutes or 25 minutes and then take a break for 15 minutes or 5 minutes or something like that. So then you have your break, which was weird. That was weird. I don't know why that did. So break 15 minutes or whatever it will be. And then I can also reset it from here and I can toggle back and forth. And that's basically the gist. I'm going to eventually have, like, the speedrunning timers?
Yeah.
I'm creating as well as kind of a part of this is a speedrunning thing for to-do lists.
You're gonna have like a splits for your to-do list?
Yes. I'm already I've thought about it a little bit, and there are some downsides to it, but I'm okay with it because it's really like the only downside would be that now you're trying to like rush through things, but like who actually cares about how much time you spend on homework other than like you, right?
Send it to your professors as a challenge.
I wrote this assignment in 3 hours. Beat that, scrub.
What? Is that a different bot or the same one? I can't tell.
I don't know. I can't even ban them. That's the funny thing.
You can't ban them.
Yeah. I can make you a moderator, I think. Here, say something.
Yeah.
Say something in chat.
No? I don't know. Does it look different?
Did he say something?
Yeah.
It's weird. There must be a really serious delay. There we go. Alright, I can add you as a moderator. Lobster Lord is now moderator on your channel. Okay, so now you should be able to remove him.
That's how you do an individual one. How... Wait. So how would I get rid of the whole account?
I don't know. I tried doing it on here, but it wouldn't let me. I would be really surprised if that was like not a thing. DQS. No, I don't want it to be called productive.
In order to program the machine, you must fight the machine.
I need this to be called session type. Let's do it this way. I set up some cool shortcuts like this, so I can literally just write lines of code in like 2 or 3 buttons. So let's see, session type. Now we can get the session type.
Well, here's the thing. You're not streaming your programming.
What do you mean?
You're not... I can't see what you're programming.
You can't?
No, you haven't been.
Oh,
You've been streaming your desktop.
That makes so much more sense. It makes me sad. Give me 1 second. Wow, you know what? Thank you, because I would have completely... Yep, you're right.
I told you.
There we go. How does that look? It'll take
well, there's a delay, so I don't know yet.
Yeah, it'll take a minute to...
Yeah, that looks fine. Although your desktop is still in the way. You're probably doing that.
Yeah, I just got rid of it. That's the funny thing is because I'm looking at the desktop while inside of the thing. So let me
That's
see.
the bit that confused me from the picture you sent. Because it's like, oh boy, now I can get the immersion of being at my PC while I'm at my PC.
Yeah. Well, see, that's the nice thing is that I can zoom in like really close on one monitor, but still have the information that I want on the other monitors. Like I can get all the streaming info for the chat and stuff right here, and I can get all the preview of what I'm working on, and then the big programming thing and music on the bottom. And then I can also look up and, you know, it's like the cosmos.
Yeah, that's the thing that I was saying with like you can have extra monitors essentially.
Yeah, I mean, I have enough monitors to see all the same info, like on 2 screens, but it's just, I don't know. There's something else about it. Session type. So
I don't know. Is there someone who can use VR and like render a video game but does not have like a second monitor
I'm sure there is.
at the same time? Well, like how much power would it take to like do the VR and then have like
A game running?
I don't know. Yeah.
Um,
Inside of it, essentially.
I mean, yeah, it would be a little bit more power intensive, but you can like, there are people use this same program to play VR or play PC games in VR, just instead of having the thing. Session
I don't know.
type.
It seems a bit extraneous and superfluous to me.
Cannot set properties of a null. Text.
I'll be right back.
Okay. What is this? So this is a null. This inner text. Dot content. Jeez. Text content. Okay. Then This is the most unproductive way to do this. Text content. Oh dear, something is... Oh, that makes sense. Element. There we go. Now it should work. What's funny is I don't consider myself to really know. Hell yeah, look at that. Now I just need to change it again. Give me 1 second. Text content. Okay, so now when I toggle back and forth from break, so now it's like break session, 45 minutes. Focus session, 45 minutes. There we go. So now I can, and this will let me know which color it is as well. Which I didn't actually know how to do until now. I can use the same logic to do all the rest of this stuff. Element. Give me 1 second. I'll do timer minutes next.
I feel like most of the time that you use, at least that I've seen, has been on working on tools to get you more productive.
Yeah.
Like you've been being more productive so that you can make things to make yourself more productive.
It's an infinite cycle.
It's the capitalist dream.
I am a worker of the consumerist ideology. Change the timer. I didn't realize that I have input, add input to change the timer. I don't have one. Now, timer minutes. Timer minutes shouldn't be Here we are. Goodness, one of these days. There we go. Yeah. So that changes now. So what are you up to?
I was about to start studying.
What are you studying?
What do you think?
I don't. I mean, you've been working on the Duolingo thing, right?
Yeah.
Okay, is that what you're studying?
Yeah.
I didn't know whether you were. Of course. Okay. Yeah, at some point, I don't think I'm going to be able to make any more productivity apps. Else it gets to be a lot after a period of time. Also, apparently, I'm leaning up against the thing. Oh, I don't think I told you. I bought a new domain today.
In the form of what?
Internet domain.
Yeah, but like, which one?
Tooldobox.com, but it's not working right now. Which makes me think I set it up wrong. And instead of to-do box, I did tool. So tool do box. It's going to be basically all my productivity programs that I build. I'm going to put into one URL so that I can have them all online without having to host each individual one on a separate thing. But right now, it's not working. I just realized I only have 2 more things left I have to do, and then this part is done. Sweet. Time passed is separate from everything else. by class name, of course. They're back. Will satisfy your wishes online. I wish to be a better programmer. I don't know if they can satisfy that one. And I just want a seconds. You know, I have a lot of this code written in a different language.
You need to test your connections of your cables because it's buzzing.
Is it microphone? Is it... Can you tell what type of...
Well, it's buzzing. I don't know what else to say.
Huh.
I would presume it's microphone.
Sounds like it went away. Is it 8? There we go. 60 times 60. 3,600. Do just ifs. Well, it's 2/3 working. I'm a second off. That makes me sad. How's your studying going?
I am reading.
I know how to do this. My brain is just having difficulty concentrating on it. I've done this like 5 times before, but
I'll be right back.
Okay. Okay, so oh dear, that's the vision key. We don't want to touch that. So we're going to need to use mod. We also usually have a var working seconds mod. What does mod return? What? JavaScript mod modulus remainder. So can I count how many times it's divisible? What other operators do we have? Remainder. Other operators. Minus, plus, multiplication, exponential. So, remainder equals seconds modulus. I feel like I'm fishing for symbols now. Why would you ever get rid of parentheses? I think it's the same. If this remainder should give me a number. Ten divided by 3 is 3.1, correct? Or it's 3 with
Wouldn't
a
it
remainder.
be 3.3 repeating?
Yes. But the remainder would be 1, right?
Yes.
Okay. definitely moving my neck around a lot more with this setup. I'm so sad that my timer's off by 1 second. I need to figure that out. Huh. That's bizarre. All right, let me ask you this. You're given a number of seconds, and this seconds could equal minutes, it could equal hours. Is it better to start by removing hours first, and then removing minutes, and then like leaving the seconds in the remainder? Or is it better to go by minutes and then hours? Make hours out of the minutes.
I don't think it'll make a meaningful difference.
It's probably right.
But if I had to guess, I would say hours, so that you're dividing into bigger pieces.
Yeah. Hours. Okay, so let's... $61 divided by 60 has a remainder of 1. So 1 minus 1 would be 0. Remainder divided by 60. Again with the fucking... Okay. I'm not gonna wait an hour to test this thing, so once the minutes are right, then the hours should be right. weird. Oh, because we're starting off with 1. Alright, moment of truth. Well, that's right. Maybe I can set it as an int. What? Oh, you can't set variable types? To set to full. Whole number, that's what I'm looking for. Math.round. Okay. Math.round.
Your cable buzzing has something to do with your VR headset because it changes depending on the direction you look.
That's interesting.
And also, I can hear it in Discord.
You can hear what?
The buzzing.
Yeah, it's really bad. Oh gosh, this is just gonna make it infinitely worse. Yeah, it's really bad. Oh gosh, this is just gonna make it infinitely worse. Yeah, it's really bad. Oh gosh, this is just gonna make it infinitely worse. Yeah, it's really bad. It's just echoing.
Yeah, it's really bad.
I think I dealt with it. I'm hoping this works. I'm at the point now where I've spent like 2 or 3 hours now working on this thing today. And I mean, I'm almost done. The last thing I have to do is be able to set input values. Because I can't do that right now. But once I get that done, then I can. Almost there. The way I'm doing it makes me think I'm doing it wrong, but I'm kind of okay with my thing right now. it seems to be working. I'll let it run for a little bit. Okay, that's how I do it. Hours. It's less than 10. Yep. If minutes is less than 10, nice. There we go. Now I'm hoping nothing breaks, because this should, in theory, just work. But if that's the case, I only have one more thing I have to do, and then I'll be free. Be free of this glorious, glorious thing. I'll fix the 1 second bug some other day. Alrighty, moment of truth. If this goes over to a 1 and the 1 is a 0, 1, yeah! I just realized that I'm gonna have to reset. Everywhere I reset or stop the timer, I stop it. It's fine if I press break. If I reset it, I'm gonna have to set this. Stop timer. That shouldn't change. Reset timer, that's what I need. Time pass dot inner text. There we go. Now it should reset. Perfect. I hear it now. Hmm. Hello there, welcome to the stream.
How do I get... There we go.
Welcome.
Moving on.
I'm streaming programming in space, and Camden Rule is studying magic stuff.
Magic?
No, he's studying languages. Might as well be magic.
It's really not that complicated.
I keep on
For
moving.
I think the
you.
barrier to entry to people is just I don't know.
It's fair.
Um,
It's
It
something.
looks more intimidating than it is.
so
Like
here's where
programming.
here's
Yeah.
where I like learning Spanish and like just starting up any language is that I don't have anybody to like use my knowledge with. So I'm just
Yeah.
like, all right, why even learn it?
There are a lot of things you can do for that. You can do a language exchange. You could go iTalk.
Yeah,
There's a lot of things.
yeah. But that's the main thing for me. Like I haven't had a person to like speak Spanish with, so I'm like, all right, I'm not even gonna just like subconsciously, even though it's like, oh yeah, I could talk to people in the future. You know, if I don't know those people, then it gets hard.
Yeah, I get that.
Here's what I would do. Randomly generate a Mexican number or just any Latin American phone number.
And then just
Okay.
call.
Talk. Yeah.
That
Hey, yo, how you doing?
that would be something.
That's not too bad of an idea, but what if they just start yelling at me and then hang up?
I mean, they're in a different
Well,
country,
then it's
so
a win-win.
yeah,
Oh,
they're
let's
yelling
go.
at you in a different language, so you're still getting conversation.
That and it's funny.
Then you can tell your kids about it. I was yelled at by someone.
Will tell my grandkids the fact that I was yelled at by a homeless crazy person outside of CVS. It made an impression on me.
I think that's happened. No, I've just heard. The only experience I had was when I was at the park. Actually, no, I don't think you were there. I think it was probably with Caleb. I was at the park, and this dude was yelling at the kids at the park. He's like, don't trust them hoes. If you find one of them, you better run. And he's like giving all these kids like a lecture while he's just like walking down the street. I'm like, what?
So I'm getting time left.
Anybody know how hot chicken needs to be?
Ask the chat.
Hey chat, how many
Isn't there only one person, and isn't it you?
me.
Or
Yeah. No. We had loveface.xyz will satisfy your wishes.
Here's the thing. I didn't see the view counter go up.
Yeah.
So I'm not sure.
Let me check.
I keep on moving on.
I wouldn't be surprised if their thing doesn't update. Yeah.
I think it's 165.
It's me. I'm the one viewer. Okay.
No, I'm viewing.
Oh.
It's weird, it doesn't even show you as a participant.
What?
Yeah. It shows me who's in the stream.
How?
There's this thing. If you look at the stream, it'll show you.
Look, I can chat.
165. Oh, that's pretty cool. I keep on
Time
moving
left
on.
dot text content. Why is this not changing? Whoa, that one was... It's a shooting star! That was really close.
On airplane.
They should add airplanes into that background.
There are some that do.
Just
What,
flying around.
in real life?
No,
that'd be-
in the
That'd be
space.
sick.
That would be sick.
Oh, in space, that would be even cooler.
Right? Oh, now it shows you it. Oh, once you type in chat, then it shows you up. That's weird. Oh, is it a query selector?
Don't say that word.
Query selector?
Don't say that.
Selector?
Don't say that.
Fuck, that's not it.
Just stop saying things.
Oh, I got one viewer
Turn your
here.
internet
I
off.
got one viewer here. I can't not
Say
talk.
the N-word. Say the N-word. You'll get away with it. Say the N-word.
Hey, get out of here.
It's not even funny. It's just.
Here's an ethical question for you. If you're completely alone and no one can hear you, like the nearest person is miles away, and you whisper the N-word to yourself, is that morally wrong?
I
mean, I don't think so.
I almost would.
If you think it, alright, I equate that.
I have a feeling it's like
thinking
it's.
with like thinking it.
Well, no, I feel like it. I guess.
Can you be a good person and constantly be thinking the N-word to yourself in your inner monologue?
That's a great question. This cat wants chicken. Get out of here.
I just imagine that you're like around and cats are asking for chicken. Alright, if this is
They're
time
asking for
left.
tests.
Chicken is not for cats. Move.
If this is time left, then this should be
Chicken.
inner text.
Okay.
No! What do you mean, no?
There are more people in this Discord than are viewing.
Well, yeah.
Nice.
It's not even changing the element.
I'll get back on in like 2 minutes.
I'm still cooking.
You want
Hey.
to play Elden Ring tonight?
Well,
Because I've been like holding myself back so that we can play it more together.
I know. That's what I did promise Dylan that I'd play some. So the answer is a big maybe. But I've also been getting really tired, like even sooner than I did.
Don't be a pussy. Don't.
Pussy, wanna.
Alright, guys.
No, stop saying these things in front of Christian's one viewer, which is oil. That's in the call saying these things. Oh my god.
You know what? It's gonna become 0.
I think I'm cool because I love that. I want them to like me for me.
Why does this chicken look like liver?
You can't talk about his viewer like that.
I don't know, I think
So,
my
what should
brain
I-
has
what
gone
should-
soft.
what
I just.
What should I season the chicken with?
Wait, did you say your brain has gone soft?
Yeah.
Hold on.
It
What
should
Dylan
be
said?
by default.
That's not fun.
It's gone softer.
Hold on. Okay, you said salt?
That means it can flow easier.
Oh my god.
Maybe my brain's gone hard? Smooth? I don't know.
I like my brain chunky.
You're also cutting in and out.
I like oatmeal.
That's because I'm on speaker.
Oh.
But I like having little itty bitty bits in it. Like that oatmeal where it has like apple slices in it or something.
Mm-hmm.
Wait, oatmeal?
Little nuggets.
Oh, dude, I like
In my brain.
I like
Oh, I'm an absolute buffoon. I am such an idiot. That makes me so mad.
Me
Ah.
turning you up a bit.
It's gonna be this.
Okay. So you said salt?
Yep.
I'm sending you it.
Ah! Everything is wrong! No, I guess it's right. I can't look at two places at once. 13, 11, 12. Yeah, it's 30 seconds. But it's gonna go negative. Oh, I don't know what's gonna happen if it goes negative. It might just shit itself.
Y2K?
Maybe.
Uh-oh.
It's at 0, -1, -2. Okay. Yeah, no, it starts going negative. Actually, I can handle negative if I wanted to. How do I want to handle negative? Maybe later. Handle. Sick. Okay. I now have basically finished this thing, except that I can't change the time yet. I don't have it reset yet.
Hey Jonah, can you hear me?
Yeah.
My recommendation for just any seasoning really is just ratatouille it. Take a sniff. Does it smell like something you want on that? Yeah.
Okay.
It works really well for me.
Alright, yeah. I have most of that stuff. I don't know what
0 concurrent viewers. Oh well.
Oh, also, do I season it after it's done cooking?
What's it?
Do I season before or after?
I would say before.
Yeah.
I already failed.
You
Alright, well,
already chicken?
it's already cooking.
We'll add it while cooking, dumbass.
Alright.
Inside or outside of the container?
container?
Inside.
No, he's just asking me if that is
Alright, it's time to ready to use.
I gave him half of that. I said, oh, oregano is nice on it too. Oregano is basically good on everything.
Keep on moving forward. Let's see. Here's my chicken. Oh no, I keep on moving on. Oh no, I lift my back. Oh no.
What? No, I'm looking because there's counter space.
Oh. I have an MRI scan on Tuesday.
Oh my gosh.
Cause
What are you doing, Jonah?
I have an MRI scan I have to do on Tuesday.
Oh, they gonna look at brain?
Yep.
They're gonna show how tiny brain you are.
Oh, can you ask him to get a file?
Of my brain?
Yeah.
I mean, I can.
Because if you could do that, then you could print out your brain. Welcome back, Mind of
Hang it up on
Toxic.
your wall.
We are, look, I can show you all the progress you made since, because you were here earlier. So we've got, no, he was here
Up
earlier.
to the bot.
No, it's an actual person.
What?
Yeah.
Not only is
So we got, all the text is now working, and you can now change from break to productive. The reset works now. Let's see here. So all the timers are now working. This is accurate, it counts down. And then if I press reset, it goes back to 0, sets it back to productive mode. I'm working on the input right now, which is gonna be super simple.
it probably isn't that before you'd be able to. Just because, like,
Oh, it broke.
the
Maybe.
position for and all their.
Oh, everything broke. Oh, that's not good.
It's impossible to learn everything.
What happened?
Oh no, it's like for quantum shit. And electrons have a lot of quantum physics bullshit.
Oh, that was. Oh, okay. I know now. Okay.
Like
Never
that,
mind,
it's all
never
the
mind.
your little shit and shit in the ass. You know?
We're good. We're good. I just couldn't see the input window. So let's see here. 10. So how do we set?
I fucking just heard a random pop in my jaw. It didn't hurt, it was just like you hear and it's like
So now what I'm gonna do is I want to change the size of the input window, which I think is a CSS thing. Change size of input box. There we go.
big kitty.
Width. They have it as a percentage. Let's do 10%.
Of course. What a shame.
That's closer. Let's go 5%. That's better. That's better. Alrighty. Now that I can do that, I need to take whatever input is given, which actually I haven't done before. I don't think it has an ID. Class. So I can go element, time input, and then we can take the time input. Oh, I need to handle. So this is the first time I've ever actually messed with input boxes. JavaScript.
Such big boy. Move up.
Handle input box. I know that when this goes wrong, it's the one thing is you can't see whatever is overlaying like this this window, whenever it shows up, it doesn't let me press anymore.
I moved them so that your stream isn't hearing
Say that again?
cellophane. I moved them so your stream isn't hearing low quality crinkling cellophane.
So, inputs. Add event lesser inputs. Oh, okay, so it's just as easy as let's add it after buttons. Actually before buttons. No, we'll do it before everything else. Function. Time input dot add event listener. We're going to look for input, and then we're going to set. Oh, this should be like one line of code. Never mind. Let's number. If we can get the number. Let's just see what that does. I'm just curious. Oh. Oh no. Why did that decide to work? ID. Oh, because we took away the class. Class is also time inputs. There we go. Now, input a number. Nothing? Huh. Oh goodness. That's because I am slightly dense. I didn't update timer minutes inner text. It's actually, if I can type, timer length in minutes. Now. Not a number? What do you mean not a number? Oh, it's gonna be something stupid like e dot value. Let's just, what does e dot value even mean? I don't know. Alright, see ya. Oh, there's a type for number. Oh, I can add mins and maxes. Uh, 250. I mean, not a number. You're not a number. Undefined. Undefined. Alright, undefined. What I want is input handle number, input number, how to get value. Oh! Oh, it works! Alright, now we can update it. Done for now. So all the text is now accurate. We added an input box. Sound effects are off, button positioning and some of this other stuff needs to be fixed a little bit, but other than that, this is a working version. After 4 or 5 hours, and it's resizable, so that's good. Actually, I'm debating how much I want to change the minimum value. I actually set it to 100. Yeah, 100 works. Okay. It's just a little bit slimmer. Save 50 pixels. Yes, you made it to the end result. After about 4 hours of work, it is now done. I can now input a value. Let's see. Right now, the lowest that we can go is 1 minute, so I can start that. And you'll see here, 60 seconds has been started. And then we can change it to a break value, and we can put in, let's say 3 minutes. We'll just do that. And you'll see 3 minutes has started, and now we're on a break, so it's blue. Now if we were to wait to have the timer go all the way to the end, it would change color. Now I think the maximum I allow is like 250 or something, which is 39 hours. So that's what 39 hours would look like. We're not going to sit here for that, so we can reset this. When I reset that, I really should reset everything. But the most time that I'll usually use is about 45-minute timer. And something is in front of it. There we go. So 45-minute timer, press start on that. And booyah, 45 minutes has been started. And then you can switch it to break and productive and all the rest of it. So yeah. And once I can actually set this to live, so once I load this up, I can, give me 1 second, I can throw a link in here. There will be a URL that I have purchased that I need to figure out why it's not working, but it'll be live at tooldobox.com, but right now the website is not working. But this is the temporary link. Let me just open that up real quick. So this is the older version, what we had before working on it today. None of this text worked. There was only one button. This is what we have after 2 to 3 hours worth of work. So once this is done and I'll upload it to the internet, I will put that link in there and hopefully it will be live within the next 24 hours. So yeah, that is it. Thank you guys for watching. I am looking forward to doing more of these in the future.